Best diet for weight loss. If you're searching for the best diet for weight loss, then try the following 7 juice diet recipes for weight loss. Getting thinner is something that requires heaps of determination, yet not determination alone. You additionally need to locate the best diets for weight loss. Juicing is thought to be one of the most ideal approaches to lose weight effectively. Juice fasting is the best diet for weight loss because it gets you away from processed foods, dairy and animal products. Juicing removes old food-related routines. Vegetables that are new to you become enjoyable. Juice fasting makes you start thinking about farmers markets. Plus your taste buds get healthy training and usually change. Fasting saves a lot of time because you do not having to fit in cooking and eating. Juicing habits can also spill over to the kids, family and friends in one way or another. It will also unite you with people around a common activity because juicers tend to find each other and create a strong sense of community, which makes you much more likely to stick to a healthier diet long term. Plus, since most juice cleanses eliminate dairy, wheat, gluten and fermented foods from your diet, you can gain a new perspective on whether any of these foods don't agree with your body. Eating naturally offers such a variety of fruits and vegetables, which in the event that you incorporate into your diet in the correct way, you most likely will have the capacity to dispose of those extra pounds. The best diet for weight loss have heaps of smaller scale nutrients in them and are low in calories. The best thing about a juicing diet is that it doesn't contain any fat. Furthermore, it's rich in vitamins, minerals and enzymes. Juicing the right ingredients can also act as a hunger suppressant while helping you stay in shape. Together with helping you get in shape, it will likewise give your body every essential supplement. The following are 7 great juice diet recipes for weight loss that you can use to get ready to shed those pounds naturally. Tomato and cucumber juice. Ingredients: 3½ mugs hacked tomatoes, 2 mugs diced cucumber, 1 stalk celery, 3 to 4 drops stevia, optional, ½ teaspoon ground dark pepper, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, ½ teaspoon ocean salt. Technique: take a juicer, include every one of the ingredients and blend it well. Pour the juice in a glass and add a little lemon juice to get a tangy taste. This celery and beet juice will help your body dispose of toxins and wastes, thus acting as a great cleanser. Spinach and apple juice. Ingredients: 2 to 3 medium-sized apples, cubed, 2 glasses coarsely cleaved spinach, a little lemon juice, ½ glass red lettuce leaves or carrot greens, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt. Method: take a juicer, include every one of the ingredients in it and blend well. Pour the juice in a glass, include lemon juice and blend well. Your solid refreshing beverage is prepared. Yellow pepper and grapefruit juice. Ingredients: 3 huge carrots, 1 yellow pepper, 1 grapefruit, 1 little kiwi, ½ crepe fresh ginger, peeled, 1 little beet, 5 to 7 drops stevia. Technique: cut the fruits and vegetables, and include them in your juicer container. Blend for around 5 to 10 minutes to blend them appropriately. Add a few drops of stevia to get a mellow sweet taste, and appreciate this scrumptious weight loss juice. Lemon and watermelon juice. Ingredients: 1 lemon, 1 container watermelon, with seeds, 1 teaspoon mint leaves. Technique: take your blender and include every one of the ingredients. Blend till you can see a red mass in the blender container. Include somewhat crushed ice in a glass, pour the juice, and top it with mint leaves. Your weight loss nutritious beverage is prepared. Since watermelon is so rich in water content, it makes this drink an extraordinary wellspring of water, on the off chance that you don't drink enough of it as the day progressed. Pomegranate and lychee juice. Ingredients: 1 container peeled and de-seeded lychee, ½ container pomegranate, 1 teaspoon vanilla embodiment. Method: include the ingredients in your blender container and continue blending till you get a consistent blend. To make the drink additionally refreshing, you can add some crushed ice. Pour the beverage in a tall glass and finish with pomegranate seeds. These beverages will relax you and provide your body with every single fundamental supplement. Together with helping you shed off extra pounds, these juices will likewise make your skin gleam and lessen the aging process. Ensure you drink a glass of juice 20 minutes before every feast, as it will lessen your hankering, consequently helping in weight loss. 1 tablespoon of cinnamon has the same measure of cell nourishment as some pomegranate juice, which has extensively more than red wine, green tea, blueberries, and asparagus. Anti-cancer operators keep us both youthful and alive. Cinnamon is an amazingly powerful blood cleanser, as it has an abundance of properties that are unfriendly to bacteria. In addition, new research results are exhibiting the impressive benefits cinnamon has on the liver, which too is essential for decontaminating the blood. Cinnamon scent alone offers empowering sways in concentration. Give your body the imperial treatment by getting a charge out of the protective, cleansing, and resuscitating health benefits that cinnamon, the queen of spices, brings to the table.